Good day, everyone. I just want to quickly encourage each and everyone on this special revelation that I want to give to you. As you all know, we are in a season of fasting and prayers, but I want to add this to your season of restoration. You can access your spiritual life when you are alive. If you cannot control your night, but learn how to control your day. Stop being too corner. That's why people can buy you for nothing. As a human being, you can accelerate your different things. Anyways, observe your spiritual life and try assess your life for your own good. Let me explain. It simply means if you don't know how to pray at night, learn how to pray daytime. But mind you, your night prayers are very weapons. It's one of the weapons. Then stop being moving around with people that does not know your value, so that they will not know how to get you. And as a human being, you need to observe your cycles. Your cycles are very, very important. Observe, be vigilant. And it's for your own good. Why doing this?